We'll guide you through how to find recently deleted photos on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone. And so you've gone and deleted a photo or video, and now you want to go and find them. So when you do this on an iPhone, they go to recently deleted, and they're there for a certain amount of time before being permanently deleted. What you can then do is actually go and speed up the process from deleting them in recently deleted, they'll be gone, or you can go and recover them. So let's come into the Photos app, and I'm going to press select in the top right and just go and select a few right now. Then I'll press the trash can button in the bottom right and go and press delete. So now they're going to be in recently deleted for 30 days. You could go and recover them or go and delete them right now from there. To go and get there, go and press on the Photos button in the bottom left and press Collections. Then you need to go and scroll down to Utilities and find recently deleted. Go and complete Face ID. You can press select in the top right and go and select them, or the ones you want to delete or recover. Press the three dots in the top right and you could delete or recover them.